How to create a new window in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start your fresh window. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon. Now, again, tap on File. Here, you'll be able to find the option called New Window on the third. Simply tap on New Window. So this will automatically create a new window and a new working space. So you can do this when you have all your project compiled together and want it in a separate way. So we can create a new project here and save it later. So here you'll be able to switch between two different windows and work accordingly too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.